Hello everyone, welcome to Winmate's webinar for Edge AI Computer. Today, we will explore how the Winmate WNAI-E600 uses powerful Edge AI computing to support safety applications in public transportation. Operators must monitor multiple camera feeds. At the same time, large volumes of video data compete for network bandwidth. When every video stream is transmitted to a central control room, response times may be delayed. Relevant incidents may also be difficult to identify. This is where the Winmate WNAI-E600 Edge AI computer plays an important role. It is powered by the NVIDIA Jetson AGX Orin platform. Delivers up to 275 TOPS of AI performance for demanding edge vision workloads. An optional configuration supports up to 8 GMCell2 cameras through FACRA connectors. This allows a single computer to receive multiple views from different areas of a vehicle. Transportation projects rarely involve cameras alone. The computer may also need to connect with vehicle signals, sensors, displays, control equipment, and a central control room. The Winmate WNAI-E600 provides one 10 Gigabit Ethernet port and 1 Gigabit Ethernet port. It also provides isolated digital input and output. 2 isolated CAN bus interfaces with CAN FD support are also available. USB 3.2, Generation 2, provides connectivity for peripherals. Interfaces supporting RS-232, RS-422, and RS-485 allow integration with existing equipment. The Winmate WNAI-E600 comes with 32 GB of LPDDR5 memory. 64 GB is also available as an option. This provides flexibility for running multiple AI models and vision pipelines. With up to 275 TOPS of AI performance, the WNAI-E600 provides computing headroom for demanding edge AI inference. It also supports vision workloads involving multiple cameras. Its memory bandwidth reaches 204.8 GB per second. This helps transfer high-resolution video and AI data efficiently. It also reduces potential processing bottlenecks. The camera architecture can be selected according to project requirements. One optional configuration supports up to 8 GMCell, 2 cameras through FACRA connectors. The alternative provides up to 4 Gigabit Ethernet PoE ports. These ports support IEEE 802.3 AF. Compatible network cameras can receive power and transmit data through a single Ethernet cable. The 2 camera configurations are mutually exclusive. Integrators should select the option that best matches their camera, cabling, and installation requirements. Vehicle deployments must handle variations in power and temperature. The WNAI-E600 provides an isolated 9 to 36 volt DC input. Optional ACC ignition control coordinates system startup and shutdown with the vehicle's ignition. Its fanless design supports heat dissipation without an internal cooling fan. Wide temperature operation helps maintain stable performance as conditions inside the vehicle change. In an urban bus application, cameras can monitor pedestrians and cyclists. These cameras can cover crosswalks, bus stops, and vehicle blind spots. When integrated with suitable cameras and AI vision software, the WNAI-E600 can process multiple video streams locally. This supports the detection of relevant objects in real time. The vision system can highlight these objects and provide earlier alerts. This helps improve situational awareness in complex urban traffic conditions. Inside a metro carriage, unattended items can affect passenger movement and daily operations. Objects blocking doors and aisles can create similar problems. With suitable cameras and AI vision software, the WNAI-E600 can analyze multiple video feeds at the edge. For example, the system may detect an unattended bag. It may also identify a bicycle obstructing an aisle. The system can then highlight the relevant object and camera view. This helps operators locate and assess the event without manually searching through continuous video streams. To summarize, the Winmate WNAI-E600 brings edge AI performance, flexible camera connectivity, and system integration together in one compact platform. It helps transportation systems support earlier alerts and better situational awareness. To learn more, visit the Winmate website or follow us on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching.